Hello everyone, I am Pranay. Today we're going to see the concept of forms, as in web forms, and how we can implement using the .NET environment, and how we can do it using through the language of C Sharp. Okay, so first let me go to a program .C Sharp. Okay, so here we have created a program which is a main function, and in that main function we have these various methods. Okay, so in the main function we are running application.run and we're calling a form. So to create a web form, we'll go to file, new. If you go to project, there'll be an option name of web form. If you enter that, you'll get a web form, and you'll get these program.cs and all other various functions. So to run a web form, you use this function application.run and then object of that web form. Okay, so I have created various web forms. It's admin, form 2, user form. Okay, and these web forms will have .cs.design, which will have the design. This can be created using the toolbox. Simply we can drag and drop the components of these form, and user form again. So in if the design is there, there will be also a CS file, as in the C sharp file, where we'll write the logic of those components. So see, as you can see, I have written the logic for button, the various labels, what happens when the form loads. Okay, and this form2.cs is the login checking, uh, and it has also its own logic. Okay, so let us just see what is there in this user form. So in user form, this application is just to enter the values of the students, the details of the students, and is seeing them. Okay, so we need a database for that. So what I've done is I've just installed the SQL Management Studio. In that, I've created a database under the server PK SQL Express. That is the server. I've created a database. Right click, new database. In that, tables will be there. Right click, new table. In that, one table will be created, and there you can create the table. So in my case, I've created a database named placement database, since I'm storing these values. In that, I have created a table named login and student details. Student details will have various uh, fields, as in, so it has name, register number, mail. Okay, and login is used for login functions. Okay, like that. So I'm just minimizing it. So to connect to this database, what we'll do is we'll get the source string, as in the SQL connection string of the database, and I'm just writing that into a string variable. Okay, so connect to the database. Before that, we have to just import, or use we have to use two classes, that is system.data and system.data.client. Okay, after using these namespaces, we'll be able to implement the SQL connection. So SQL connection, the object of the SQL connection is equal to new SQL connection, the source, that is a path of that database. We have to open the connection using open function, that is object.open. Write the query. SQL command is one class. Object of that is new SQL command, query comma that connection string, and to execute it is execute non-query, and you can close it. Okay, so this is the basic, how you can create a form, how you can connect through a database, and how you can just uh, just create a form and just run. We also have grid views to just, there's one more thing I'll show. This insert, update, and delete will work for execute non-query, but to show the select command, we have to use some other classes or methods. Okay, so what I've done is string select query select star from student details. I've used SQL data adapter, which will just get run the query for that connection and get an object. That through that object will fill a data set through the object of the data set, and I'll show that whatever is there in the database will be shown through data grid1 dot data source equal to data set dot tables of 0. That is the table that is there. Okay, It will show the grid whatever it is there. Okay, so let us just see how this program runs. Okay, so let me start. So I'm going login. So I've already created a database for the login. So 100 mean 100 and the password first pass means the user mode. 1 and admin pass means the admin mode. So let me just go to the admin mode first. 1 and admin pass. Okay, I'm logging in. So here I can write the details. Let's just say I'm writing the details as a 7, uh, not 7, let's just say I'm writing 10, 10, 10. These are some values I've written this. Okay, so I'm going to insert it and we're going to see those values here. So let me insert them. I've inserted and let's view. So it has been inserted 10, 10, 10. Okay, now let me try to update it. Now I'm trying to update. Okay, let's just say the name is 20 now. So update and view. So the name has been changed to 20. Update the name for register number 10. That is the condition. Okay, now let us delete. So with name and register number it will be deleted. So delete and view. Now it has been deleted. So this is the admin function. There is no difference between admin and user. There's one difference that you can't delete in user. Okay, so to go to the user mode, let's say 100. I'm using 100 and uh, the password is FIST first pass and I'm logging in. And that's it. Same thing. The delete function is not there, but you can do all the same things. So this is how we can just implement the web forms in C# and .NET environment. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you have an amazing day. Bye bye.